Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate QuickBooks with Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do on Freshsales here on the left hand panel, click on Admin Settings, and then I want you to click here on Apps and Integrations, and then from here click on Marketplace Apps. What I want you to do is just go ahead and scroll down. You should see QuickBooks. If not, you can search it up right here, but if you just scroll down you'll see QuickBooks. It's completely free. Just go ahead and click on it, and then I want you to click here on Install. After that, what I want you to do, once this one has been done installing, you need to just click here on Connect to QuickBooks, and if you're not logged in already, it will ask you to go ahead and sign in to QuickBooks with your email, user ID, and then your password, and then all you need to do is go ahead and authorize the connection. And once you have authorized the connection, you will be notified that you are connected. And that is how to integrate QuickBooks with Freshsales.